welcome to Keysight Technical Clips. In this video, we will look at a feature on the Keysight X-Series signal generators called internal channel corrections and learn how it can help us. In a previous video, we saw how to generate a 1024 QAM signal using option 431 on the N5182B MXG signal generator and how to demodulate it on the N9038 PXA signal analyzer using the 89601B VSA software. Here is that setup again. We're looking at the 1024 QAM signal at 20 MHz symbol rate, running with a filter of root Nyquist with alpha 0.35 at a center frequency of 3.5 GHz and minus 10 dBm power out of the MXG and being demodulated in the VSA software. As you can see, we have pretty clean demodulation and less than 1% of EVM, which is pretty good. This is at a symbol rate of 20 MHz. What would happen if we increase the symbol rate? So let's do that. We'll increase the symbol rate to 100 MHz, which I do by going to Mode and Real-Time Custom Modulation, Modulation Setup, and Symbol Rate, and I'm going to punch in 100 megasymbols per second. Correspondingly, in the VSA software, we will increase our span to 160 megahertz. We will go to Measure Setup, Digital Demod Properties, and change the symbol rate there as well to 100 megahertz. And for good measure, we'll do another auto range. Okay, so our constellation looks pretty bad, and our EVM has increased to anywhere between 1 and 3.5%. So that looks bad, but as it turns out, we can optimize this using channel corrections. So the internal channel corrections feature is available on the X-Series signal generators. That's the N5172B EXG and the N5182B MXG signal generators. Essentially, it corrects for the instrument's magnitude and phase response for both baseband and RF across the entire available modulation bandwidth, which can be up to 160 MHz. The correction is applied internally and is applied in real time to live data. It's also available at any center frequency or power level that you may set on the generator. So to apply this, we go to the IQ key, that's there, and then in the soft key menu, we go More, Internal Channel Correction, and turn it on. Note that there are two types of corrections, factory and user. The factory calibration is done when the instrument ships from the factory and optimizes performance up to the front panel RF output connector into a precision 50 ohm load. You could also do a user calibration to extend this performance to a new calibration reference plane, such as up to your DUT. This would require the use of a power sensor. Let's check on our EVM now. And definitely quite an improvement, and we're back to being under about 1% of EVM. So please also check out our related video about channel corrections and EVM performance available on the Keysight Signal Generators YouTube channel. For questions, please feel free to contact us at www.keysight.com/find/contact us. Thanks for watching.